Starting here?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute in 1, 2, 3, sir.
1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Sir,
So yeah.
So this is Garo Hill, sir, and again different kinds of products here. And when you take a round outside, sir, you will see that we have curated teas of Meghalaya, where we have found some caffeine-free teas of Meghalaya, from moringa tea, from bale tea, red rice tea, lemongrass tea. So all of this is like we have actually called this whole festival as hidden gems. That in even branding, sir, it becomes very easy for us to talk about the caffeine-free teas of Meghalaya. So the Roselle tea also, for that matter. And so he does so the woodwork here.
I met him once. Makmaramo paano ko William Nagar siya.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait.
So this is golden. So this one,
Yeah, I'll take this also.
This also, okay, sir.
My friend is Prashant Monsi.
And sir, these some cute fridge magnets also the entrepreneur. Sir, this tea, very few people know that in Khasi Hills tea grows. First. And
Nobody will be able to take it away.
and you go away to pay us. First. And
Nobody will be able to take it away.
and you go away to pay us.
Kong makes dinner. Do you want to explain?
So this is the first cohort where we incubated 143 entrepreneurs. So this is Jayantia Hills. So we wanted to just get some champion entrepreneurs. So she rejuvenated a coal mine area, and now she does her own packaging in a very beautiful manner. So this red rice tea that I've been talking about, it's also from Khasi Hills, from the first cohort. So these different products we have just picked up the champion products to be here. This is Sari Soap. His turnover initially was in thousands. Now in lakh, we'll be actually talking about his story. And he does soaps, which is for
They're
home.
different guys.
Yes, different guys. So we have just curated it all together because not everybody could stand there. However, they're inside the hall, and then you
That's
can
a
see
great
it. Yes, sir. And so if you take around, you will see Garo Hill.